What is up, everybody? Welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you clear your search suggestions on Instagram. How do you modify your the explore feed. How do you make it, tweak it according to your needs? So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So now this account that I made for this channel actually does not have much followers or following. We do not use this account for anything but the tutorials, so that is why it kind of just looks like what a brand new account would look like. The suggestions are usually based upon the nearby people and the country I'm from. So how do I modify it according to my needs? So this is one good example of what would actually be something good related to this channel that I could uh see on my Explorer, and I have no problem. So what I would do, I would like this photo, right? Liking this would recommend many such more posts. I love programming. I've done my bachelor's in computer science, so this is also relevant. So that is also relevant. What you need to do is you need to open up stupid posts like this girl. I don't want to see her. You can hit not interested. Right now it says post hidden, and they won't be recommending you any such posts again. Even though I like bodybuilding, this is not something that I would like on this page, on this Instagram account. So I'm gonna hit not interested again, and I'm gonna hit not interested again. And this is how you have to keep working on it until it starts looking better. It won't be done overnight, obviously, but it would take some time. But you just have to like the things that might be related to your account that you want to see, and ignore all the other one, like hit not interested on all the other things that you don't want to see on on the explorer of this page. So that is how you can clear your search suggestions. If you have any search results, you can hit the cross buttons. So I don't think that usually does anything, but usually this whole procedure, and following only the accounts that you want to see the content of, or related content of, you should only follow those accounts. And then sooner your account will be clear, and you will be only recommended stuff that would be relevant to you. So that is all from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, guys.